Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Discord not showing Spotify status. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you have to do is just go to your Discord, and right over here, first up, you need to make sure that you go to your user settings, and right over here you need to go to connections. And here, as you can see, I have my Spotify connected, so you can just press on this disconnect option and you can disconnect it first of all and then connect your Spotify again. And after that, make sure display Spotify as your status is turned on. And if you want to be double sure, just make sure Spotify is enabled as display on your profile. Once this is done, just go back, and right over here you need to make sure as your account, you need to make sure that you have set to not to invisible. So if you set it to invisible, it won't actually show. It must be on idle, do not disturb, or online. That way it would show. And yeah, just simply make sure you have that. And after that, just be sure that you aren't connected to any VPN or anything, and you're good after that. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.